All right, welcome back to Smart Money Monday. Lately, we've talked a lot about life insurance and how it is important for every family. Question is, how much life insurance do you need? To help us figure that out, we have Chris Otto here from Banco Investment Services. Morning, Chris. Thanks.
Hey, great to be back, Steve. Yeah, before we get started, just want to remind everyone, so Banco Investment Services is a non-banking subsidiary of Bank of Hawaii and a member of FINRA and the SIPC. Products are sold, are not FDIC insured, may lose value, and not deposits of Bank of Hawaii.
Every situation is different, of course. So how do we figure this out? How do we figure out how much insurance we need?
That's a great question, and unfortunately, there's not an exact dollar amount because everyone's situation is different. A good starting point, though, is to ask yourself two questions. The first question is really, if I were to pass away today, what kind of expenses would I want covered immediately to prevent kind of financial hardships on my family? For example, like let's say your mortgage or the cost of, let's say, future college expenses. Mm-hmm. The second question you got to ask yourself is, does your family depend on your income to maintain your standard of living? If they do, then the question is, how much assets do I need to bring in at my passing to generate that missing income to, maintain that standard of living for my family? So
it seems like you're looking not just at your present situation, but what you're going to need down the road.
That's correct, and that's absolutely right. I mean, just like your life changes, your needs for life insurance should also change. So depending on your life stage, your needs or your concerns will change, and you got to make sure you have the appropriate amount of insurance coverage during that stage in your life.
So give me an example.
Yeah, let's say you're a young couple starting out and you have a family. Your main concern is probably paying off that mortgage or, again, providing for that current or future education expense. Yeah. But let's say later on in life, your kids are growing up, home is paid down. Now your insurance needs might change and more be about long-term care coverage in the event that you get sick, or maybe leaving a legacy for your kids, or better yet, your grandkids.
So it's really all-encompassing when you think about it. It's not just now, it's further down the road and everything, right?
Yeah, I mean, let's face it, life changes, right, Steve? And so at the end of the day, your life insurance needs should change with your life. So depending on your life stage, your needs or your concerns or your goals will change. You just got to make sure your life insurance cover is aligned with those things.
So have conversations about it, I would imagine.
You got to have open conversations and be willing to look at your situation from time to time and make those changes. In fact, you may discover that sometimes you need more insurance or less insurance as, again, your needs change.
All right, so obviously lots to think about. Chris Otto from Banco Investment Services. Thanks, Chris.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.